Thanks, Aalok. So my next question would be, so in this 2-day trainer program, what will be covered? Any highlights for us?
Yeah, say clearly 2 days is not enough to make you an expert. But what we want to do, we want to give you a rock solid foundation. And in order to give them a rock solid foundation, after deciding and contemplating and brainstorming for days to come, we have 4 modules for you. So the first module is about the industry. Now, clearly, if you're going to enter an industry, or even if you're not going to enter the industry, it's good to know what this training industry is all about. I did mention to you, 50% of the people needs to be trained, and that's the industry which is going to train them. So the first module is going to be about the industry. The second module is going to be about adult learning, adult psychology. It is similar to kids psychology, but very different, And there's a very interesting saying which one of my mentors told me, that kids are emotionally stable adults, but adults are emotionally unstable kids. And the reason this is important for you to know, because when we do team building games and when we work with people and get them to engage, only then we can educate. Because if you just educate adults, they're going to call you a lecturer, and not many people like a lecturer, right?
Agree.
And if you only entertain, then they're going to call you a stand-up comedian. Now, that's not why you're getting paid for. So we're going to teach you everything from entertainment to engagement, so that you can do what you're paid for, which is educate. So this is the 3 E's you're going to learn in the second day adult learning. The third module is all about planning. Now, it takes 2 hours to watch a movie, but it takes 2 years.
2 years.
And 2,000 people to make it. Now,
Totally agree.
In this case, it is not that long, but even to design this program, it has taken us 2 months of hard work. It has taken us many people to kind of design it, put this together. It's in front of you, there are 2 people over there, but there are many people working behind the scenes. So what is the planning involved? That is something you're going to learn in module 3. And finally, in module 4, you're going to learn to be the rock star, to be the showman, to deliver, to engage the audience, to entertain them, so that you can educate them. So in a nutshell, the 4 modules, module 1 is going to be about the industry, module 2 is going to be about adult learning, module 3 is going to be about planning, and module 4 is going to be about facilitation. So that is what includes, and if you want more details, you know who to contact.